Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer data into Snowflake using SnowSQL commands step by step clearly. Open your terminal or command prompt. Ensure that you have SnowSQL installed on your machine. Launch SnowSQL by typing SnowSQL in the terminal and pressing enter. You'll be prompted to enter your Snowflake account details. Input your account name in the format account.region. Next, provide your username and password. Once logged in, select the appropriate role with the command use role_name. Choose the target database using the command use database_name. Next, specify the schema with use schema_name. Now, create a stage if one doesn't exist using the command. Create stage_name URL equals s3 //bucket/path/credentials sadface AWS_key equals your_AWS_key AWS_secret equals your_AWS_secret. Upload your data files to the specified stage. Use the copy into command to transfer data into your target table. For example, copy into target_table from its stage_name file_format sadface type equals CSV. Monitor the load process by checking the status with the command, select asterisk from table, integration.load_status. Once the data load completes, verify the results with a simple select query. If necessary, review any error messages to resolve issues. Make sure to commit your transaction if required. You can exit SnowSQL by typing exit or quit. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred data into Snowflake using SnowSQL commands. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account in payment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.